Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to send USDT from Bybit to Binance. So first, we should get your Binance wallet for USDT. So what you want to do is just head up to Binance, click on deposit now, click on deposit crypto, and then select your cryptocurrency of choice. So we're going to use USDT, and this is the important part. Make sure when you select your network, make sure you use this one right here that has BEP20, because this one has the lowest fees when it comes to depositing your crypto. And then what you want to do is just copy the address and then head back to Bybit and then click on assets right here and then click on withdraw. And then what you want to do is choose USDT here again, enter the wallet address, just click on paste, and then choose the chain type, and again use this one right here that says BSC BEP20. Since this has the lowest fees, as you can see, it's $0.30. Others right here are $1, $1.30, $1, $8. This one right here is the lowest fee. And then after that, what you want to do is just input the amount that you want to transfer, click on confirm, and then you are done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to transfer money from Bybit to Binance. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.